to my channel. My name is Nike. So in this video I want to do a very quick review of a bag that was sent to me by Top.ru. I'm gonna be putting their website on the screen for you guys to see. They are the ones that sell these luxury bags. They sent me this Louis Vuitton bag, and just so you guys know, this is my first Louis Vuitton bag. But your girl has never had a Louis Vuitton bag, you know. So I'm so excited to be doing this review today. I want to share my opinion, my thoughts on this bag, so you guys should stay tuned. I am all dressed because today is my friend's 40th birthday party, and as usual Nike is always late. It's 4:34, but I want to be really quick with this review. I want to show you guys the bag because I'm going to be making use of it today. So I was like, oh my god, perfect timing. I was going to do a review today anyway, so why not just go ahead and show you guys this bag, let you guys in on my opinion about the bag. So this bag is actually the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in nude color. I know on the streets of YouTube here there are a lot of reviews on Alma bags, but I haven't seen the nude color. Maybe I have to do my research more, but I did see the colors that are more popular are the black, especially the black and the brown. So you guys, let's go ahead and open this real quick, okay? So just so you guys know, I love the box, and it also came in a very good, beautiful packaging. It was well packed, like it was packaged like a luxury bag. So you know that when you're ordering from www.top.ru, you are getting value for money. You're getting something quality. You're not gonna hear excuses of, oh, shipping and handling was this, that. No damages. Everything came intact, guys. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take the bag out of the box and see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna put it real quick to the side. Let's see all that came in the box. It did come with the bag, the paper bag. Let me just drop this real quick. So, oh, good thing it came with the paper bag, which I think is cool. Maison Fund in 1854 Paris. The bag is so cute. The paper bag is so cute, guys. You guys see that? Anyway, let's put this to the side real quick. And then it has a protective plastic bag. Yes, it has a protective plastic bag. So we're just going to take this out real quick. And then this bag is a dust bag, as you guys can see. I think it's looking cool. And here we go, guys. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see this? Because I'm excited. I'm ready. Ready. Wow. The dust bag is so solid on the bag. So it's not even loose. I like that already. Oh, wow. And already, guys, I can see. I'm going to just write on this here that it has Louis Vuitton written on it. Just right here, it has Louis Vuitton on it. It has Louis Vuitton written on the zip, on the zipper handles. I'm gonna go ahead and just take all this off. Let's check for the quality. So I already love the quality of the bag. Let's see the underneath. Oh wow, yes. And it has Louis Vuitton all over as well, as you guys can see. Let me zoom it in for you guys to see. It has Louis Vuitton on there. This is a very gorgeous design. Oh wow, and I love the gold hardware. All the gold hardwares look so good. They don't look like those type of gold hardwares that will change color. You know, some gold hardwares, when you see them, you'll be so scared that this eventually, maybe with too much handling of the bag, or maybe your makeup eventually gets to touch the bag, then it turns brown. It doesn't look like that. It's a very beautiful hardware. On it right here, it has Louis Vuitton written on it. I think the exterior is good. The exterior looks quality. It feels really good. The handle itself, this is it, guys. I want you to see it. Do you guys see it? Very, very beautiful. It has LV logo on almost everything. On the straps it has the LV logo on it, which I think is cool, guys. From what I'm seeing, this is already looking so pretty in the nude color, and also the glazing on the handle, everything looks good. Yes, it doesn't feel like it's gonna rip off anytime soon. Do you guys see that? So this is what it looks like. And then on the edge of the bag, this is what the edge of the bag looks like. You guys see it? This bag would be perfect for work, for outings. It all depends. It's a versatile bag already. It's looking like a versatile bag. For me, I can always hold it this way. Okay, guys, so now that you guys have seen a whole view of the bag, I love the quality already. Let's go ahead and take all this off, and then we go ahead to open the bag for you guys to see it real quick. Okay. Oh, nice. Keeping it strong and solid. And then it does come here with a strap. You guys see that? It came with a strap, it came with a lock. We're gonna take care of that real quick. So this is what the inside looks like, guys. So from what I do see here, it has the Louis Vuitton logo written inside on here as well, and then it does have an opening here for your, like your phones or your credit cards, whatever it is you want to put in there. But this is exactly what this looks like. And then this is the strap that is thin here, and then wide in the middle, and then thin all the way here too at the end. So obviously the places you're gonna fix the strap is here and on this side of the bag here. So it has it on both sides, one on this side and one on the back, one at the front, one at the back. So we're gonna go ahead and fix the strap. Let's see. Show you guys. That was so easy, guys. So you can actually either hold it this way, or you can put it on your shoulders this way. Well, preferably for me, I wouldn't make use of the strap. I think it will go for me better on the crook of my hand this way. Oh my god, guys, I have my nude wristwatch on today, you know, or this way. This is how I would prefer to use mine. But anyway, guys, that is for the strap. So right now, let us move on to other items that did come with the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this on the bag real quick, but before I do that, I want to show you guys what the padlock looks like. It has LV written on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then it has a bold LV as well written here on this other side of the padlock. So I haven't tried opening it, so let's go ahead and try opening it with the keys that came with the bag, okay? And that was so cool, guys. Do you guys see that? So I'm gonna go ahead and, because this is a locket, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna go ahead and just fix this on the bag real quick. So I'll put this down real quick here, put this down, and then we'll go ahead and fix it. Just give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, so now that you guys have seen this bag, I'm gonna go ahead real quick and put my things in this bag, things that I'm gonna be taking to the party that I'll be going to today. I'm gonna go ahead and just put them inside the bag, and let's see what can fit into this bag. It has a compartment here. It has the LV statements written all over on all of the hardware inside the bag. So I'm gonna start out with my wallet. I'll go ahead and drop my wallet in here, and it fits. That's what it looks like, guys. You guys see that? My wallet fits. And then I'm gonna go in with my camera. This is my Sony camera. It's my backup camera, and it still feels pretty good. It fits in here. And the next thing I'm gonna go in after putting in my wallet and my camera is gonna be my glasses. I always need my glasses mostly to see at night when I'm driving. Voila, guys. Nike is ready to go. So guys, the strap in itself is not an adjustable strap. I personally will not be using the strap, maybe just for convenience, maybe, I don't know, but I would not be using the strap. As I did say, preferably I will hold the bag at the crook of my hand, which I think is super easy, super beautiful. Okay guys, so after showing you the bag and showing you how much items the bag can take, we have seen that the bag, even though it's little, which I thought would not be able to contain most of my items, it did take my necessities, which is my wallet, my extra camera, and also my glasses, which I'm gonna use to see at night when I'm driving back home today. So the bag is pretty spacious in there to take all those items. I didn't even make use of the space on the side of the bag, but after seeing everything, looking at the strap, the quality leather, this bag is an affordable bag. It is a quality bag. It is luxurious. It is very, very beautiful. The details, the attention to details, everything on the bag is so beautiful. I really do love the nude color. It is also affordable. If you want to get this bag, I'll suggest you go to www.dodotop.ru. I'm gonna be leaving the link to the website on here on the screen for you guys to see, and I will also be dropping it down below. You will get this bag at a more affordable rate on their site for $383, and if you use my discount code Nikki, trust me, you will be getting 12% off. Yes, so if you're a lover of luxury and you haven't invested in yourself, I'll say you go ahead and spoil yourself, maybe for your birthday, you know, just because it is Tuesday. You could just spoil yourself today, spoil yourself just because it's Monday, spoil yourself just because you deserve it, you know. This is a very beautiful bag. I love the color nude. Why? Because I do a lot of nude, guys. My main colors are black and nude in terms of my bags, and my shoes, they are nude. If you see me with other colors, then they're probably a gift. I am someone who is not that risky, you know, but I just like to stick to something that is more neutral. Nude, black, nude, black, blue. I just stick to it. As you guys can see, my dress is actually blue today. So go ahead, check out www.dodotop.ru once again and use my discount code, and you will be getting 12% off on the $383 that you will be spending to buy this bag. This bag is a quality, beautiful bag. As I did say, do you guys see this? It is so classy. So guys, it is 5:15. The party has started. I'm gonna take you guys along, so stay tuned and let us go to the party. I will be doing a full look on what I do look like with my bag on, and also go check Instagram because I will be making an Instagram reel on this whole party today, and also featuring dodotop.ru. okay, all right guys, if you know you've enjoyed watching this vlog, please stay tuned and let's continue. Okay, I'll see you guys later.